to sit beside
I get to sit
Boris.
across from Boris.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
And a big piece of toast for me.
Raspberry jam, my favorite.
Honey, my favorite.
Boris.
Brothers first. Hey, do you think our Crunchy Puff flyer will come today?
I sure hope so.
We sent away for it weeks ago.
Okay, pass the Crunchy Puffs.
Oldest first.
Morris! My turn now.
B for Boris goes before D for Doris.
Boris!
Hey, shh, listen. Is that the mailman? It's the mailman!
Ugh, finally.
Hey, get out of my way!
Stop! I'm telling
Ah,
Mom.
get out of here! Hey, come on, stop it!
My turn to get the mail.
I'll get the
No,
mail.
let me get it!
I'm getting it.
Let me get it.
Get out of my way! It's my turn!
Excuse me.
Hey, no fair!
Ugh.
Aw, no Crunchy Puff flyer. Now we have to wait another whole day.
It's never gonna get here.
Hey, what about the mail?
It's your turn.
You can get it.
No fair. I'm telling.
What's the matter, Doris? Everything. I ruined Lily's picture and I got paint on her shoe. I was just trying to help. I said sorry. That's good, saying sorry. I'm not a good friend, Timothy.
You have good lunches, Doris.
Thanks.
No, I mean, you could trade it with Lily.
You're right. I do have good lunches. Thanks, Timothy. Lily, want to trade lunches?
Sure. Thanks, Doris.
You're welcome, Lily.
What did you bring?
Ham and cheese and lettuce and tomato.
I like ham and cheese and lettuce and tomato. I have a cottage cheese sandwich.
Cottage cheese. Yum.
Ketchup and mustard.